morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday morning. A little bit of a change this weekend. Robin and I did our shopping this morning, because Robin is going out of town tomorrow for a conference down in Southern California. I get to play a bachelor all week, so I got to choose my menu. But let's talk about last night first. Last night was nachos. My nachos. With a wonderful nacho cheese sauce that I will definitely share. It's just full of goodies. The nachos themselves, Robin is eating leftovers as I tape this. Yes, and I get a big thumbs up over there. It's always a pleaser here in the house. Yeah. And the cheese sauce is really easy. Today is super, I know I say this a lot, but this is a super easy dinner. It's brats and fries. Let's get to it. Got the hardware. Johnsonville brats. We're doing hamburger buns. We're going to slice the brats in half after they're done cooking and make a sandwich out of it, or basically, yeah, you know what I'm saying. Possible some shredded cheddar cheese. A couple different mustards, that's just two that we have. Possible some red sauteed onions. Good old Heinz ketchup. And grown in Idaho, super crisp crinkle cut fries. Like I said, super simple. But simple is good. Because I'm still busy working on projects. One I'm not going to divulge yet. I'll announce soon. It's another one. Next week, for my bachelor week, and these are in order. Next week, starting tomorrow, caramelized, slow roasted Asian beef short ribs with smashed potatoes, and I think I'm going to do carrots and peas for dessert. Yeah, for my veggie. Monday is Thai peanut chicken. We've had this before. It's really good. And that'll be with rice noodles. Tuesday is gnocchi alla starantina, which basically it's a baked gnocchi dish. It's super simple. Wow. But I have leftovers from this one. On Wednesday, it's going to be bok choy and mushroom stir fry with brown rice. Thursday is a beef and onion stir fry, but this definitely has an Asian flair. It's not one of my typical beef and onion. This is Asian. And Friday will be pasta aglio e olio. Basically, pasta with olive oil, butter, and some yummies. So today, Robin and I are anticipating the arrival of the proof paperback of the cookbook. Yeah, we're waiting with bated breath. Don't forget, Monday, starting at 8 a.m., is the cookbook auction of my working copy of the paperback. I think that's about it. So, on this Saturday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.